Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. This is a gadget that's going to be ideal for motorhomes, caravans, camping and all sorts of things. So what exactly is it? Well, also it'll be useful for people who are building their own small motorhomes or tiny vans. Now then, is it an air pump? No. It's rechargeable. It's USB. So what is it? Now, it comes with one of these. So what is that? Any ideas? Right. It also comes with one of those and some pipe. So what is it? Right, I'll assemble part of it and see if you can guess. Any guesses? So what is it? What is this thing? Right, so I'm going to attach the pipe to it. And it just pushes on this plastic pipe. Now I've attached the pipe to it, and what you do is you feed this pipe through this hole here and pull it through. And I'll do that if I can. I'm trying to do this single-handed, so apologies. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now what you can do is you can put this in to a water container and it pumps water and it's rechargeable, and this will be ideal for if you've got a small self-build motorhome and you want a very simple tap, so that you don't have to keep lifting up big heavy water containers and tipping them up to fill containers. And I'll just demonstrate this. I'll get a glass or a cup or something and I'll show you exactly what I'm referring to. Now you can imagine these water containers, if you're trying to tip it in a cup or a glass, that can be very inconvenient. But you can imagine you could have any water container inside the cupboard of your little van. All you need to do is to drill a hole in the top and put this pipe in. And I'll just demonstrate it with this one. Right, tuck the pipe in like that. Now because it's such a small hole for the pipe, let's give you a demonstration. It's very simple plastic pipe. Very simple bit of kit. Rechargeable. No wiring. Press a button. This is a pint beer glass. Switch off. What do you think? Nice and simple. But even simpler than that, and I'll just show you what you can do as well. Now this is the pump unit itself. So you see what it looks like, rechargeable, it's USB. What you can do, let's just get rid of this, you can cut this pipe shorter and stand it on top of your water container if you want, like that. Because this bit is just a stand, you don't actually need this. The other thing you can do is you can cut the pipe short. Let's take this off of it. bottom it just pushes on. You could drill a hole in your work surface, like on the edge, and just put this pipe through, and you don't need that base. So it's got all sorts of useful ways you can use it. The metal pipe comes off, so you could put a piece of pipe on there if you wanted. Just get rid of this water. That's it, because I don't want it all over the carpet. And this can be used, well, basically anywhere in your motorhome. So you can imagine with the pipe on, you could stand it in the corner. You could make another base for it, because this base is only, you know, a lump of plastic. That's all it is. You could cut that off and mount it on your work surface. Yeah. Rechargeable water pump for a motorhome. And the intention is I'm going to use it on mine. Although I've got a big water tank on the motorhome, I thought it'd be handy when we're just out for the day, because there's no point filling 90 litres in the main tank, where I can just take a couple of plastic water containers with us. And what I'm going to do, I've got some plastic pipe left over from when I installed my diesel heater, and that fits inside this end fitting, so I can even run that through a cupboard if I wanted. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. These are available from multiple sources. I think the last time I looked them up was on AliExpress. Or something ridiculous, up to £16, and that includes postage. So they're very low cost, and obviously for a motorhome, and yeah, absolutely brilliant bit of kit. So once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and if I get the chance to actually fit it in the van, I'll show you how I've done it.